Hello friends, I'd like to share this with you guys. This is a Nissan Juke 2011, and I was having this fault code b26f4 and b26fa. Start control relay off, start cut open. So I did some diagnostic, changed a couple of module, BCM and stuff like that. The problem was show you the ECU. So I put another one. There's the old one there, and the car starts. This fuse box, this one is all good, nothing wrong with that one. Yep. So if you're having that fault code, have a look at your ECU. Need to be replaced. Thank you. Please like my channel.